Attention please. This uploading is only for educational purpose. No intention to infringe copyrights. Learning English with subtitles. GPITRAL. Follow us.
The unusual suspects are on parade, but which one committed this week's deadly deed? Yes! It was the reciprocating saw. Guilty as charged!
One, two, three,
Saturday, and in the kitchen at Crash Test Corner, all is domestic bliss.
Nice catch! Cheers! Nice marigolds! Cheers!
Oh, look, Dan's washing one of his favourite mugs. It's his Jack Duckworth Special Edition. This could end in tears.
Mug! How could you be so clumsy, Steve?
Weep not, young Daniel.
Don't touch my face.
Look, our mug smashing day's bit over. Have a butcher's hook over here, Dan. This stuff will revolutionise our lives.
Well, what is it?
Indestructible crockery, rockery.
These cups and saucers are the very latest in break-resistant crockery. They've been tempered against impact shock and have cunning ingredients like melamine resin to prevent clumsy twerps like Steve from smashing them.
Doesn't look anything special to me, mate.
Yeah? Well, that's what you said about those edible underpants, and look at the fun we have with them. Hit it, Spearos!
Steve's going to prove the crockery's strength with a test inspired by a fine old Greek tradition. Plate smashing.
Oh, what the heck? Let's get involved!
The average Greek wedding can get through 5 dinner services, but this crockery is proving invincible.
Hey! Oh, eat your heart out, Demis Roussos. I tell you what, Dan, this stuff's not bad.
Oh, this is great guns, but it's still small potatoes. We need to find out if this so-called unbreakable crockery is Steve-proof. I'll tell you what, you're like a bull in a china shop.
Now there's a thought.
A bull in a china shop? Sounds like a crash test to me. But where in Dummy World will they find to test it?
Welcome to the China Shop! Raw digger, get on this.
All right.
In here, we have some of the strongest crockery in the world.
Up against the super tough crockery is this prize-winning limousine bull. His name is Top Knot. He weighs nearly 1.5 tons, and our dummies are about to let him loose in their China shop. This is gonna be smashing!
Come on, Top Knot, let's have it. In you come, fella. Come on, Toppers.
I tell you what, Dan, it's going to be carnage in here. Okay, Top Knot, do your worst. Smash it up.
Any minute now.
Smash it up.
Oh dear, looks like Top Knot won't budge.
This isn't working, is it? We need to rile him up there. Get right up his nose ring.
That shouldn't be a problem for someone like you, Dan.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Ole! Hello there, I am Jose. In your face, in your face. And I will attract the bowl to the crockery. So it goes, the smash, the smash, the smash.
Why are you dressed like a ballroom dancer?
I couldn't get the outfit for the real thing.
Bull's afraid of ballroom dancers?
I hope so.
Fingers crossed.
This bull's obviously not the fiery type. But don't try copying Dan next time you're down on the farm. That would be very stupid.
Nothing's happening, Steve. The only way this bull's going to get excited is if I grow 2 udders.
Oh.
This crockery is proving harder to test than they'd reckoned. But our dummies won't be defeated. The unbreakable crockery may have survived some Greek dancing and some Spanish matador action, but will it score a home run in the US of A? Yes! A rousing game of crash test baseball should destroy the die-hard dinner service. Steve's gonna pitch every last cup and saucer for Dan to batter. Great sport, but dangerous. So don't try this next time you're down in the park.
Come on, baby Ruth, let's play ball!
The crockery was never designed for this. It doesn't stand a chance.
Yeehaw! This crockery be history!
Steve's got a surprise.
Time for the curveball.
Our Vera may be indestructible, but our mug definitely isn't.
Yeah! As I suspected, crash test baseball was too much for the so-called unbreakable crockery.
Oh, poor Vera.
Vera? Steve, how could you?
Sorry, Dan, but you did it yourself.
But she was all I had.
Come on, it's all right. There's always Terry.
Who's Terry?
Call yourself a fan. Terry Duckworth, the prodigal son.
I am a fan. I know that Ken and Deirdre have been in it for about 25 years.
If you are going to crouch,
Bend your knees.
yeah.
Sunday morning, and in the house, the boys are in dummy dreamland. But not for long. Last week, Steve was up to his usual tricks, buying odd vehicles to give his crash test garage treatment to.
Got yourself a deal, mate, sweet as.
All right.
All right?
What are you doing?
Just on the old net, surfing and that.
You're not entering another pancake tossing competition, are you? I mean, it's just getting boring.
Oh, I'm trying to organise a surprise for us.
What kind of surprise?
Oh, you just wait and see.
And today is delivery day. So what ridiculous mode of transport has he blown the housekeeping on this week?
What's going on now?
Oh, Grandma, we love you. And yes,
Yes, it's a granny buggy. No wonder Dan's not impressed.
let's take Granny down the shops and get her a quarter of bonbons. Come on.
You won me over.
Mobility scooters like these are battery-powered and can reach top speeds of 8 miles per hour. That's perfect for a trip to the shops, but not so great for two dummies with a need for speed. He's going to need some serious souping up to convince Dan that Steve's purchase is a golden oldie.
How's that grab you?
Steve, have you ever read War and Peace? Because that is hilarious compared to this.
Stop your last of the summer whining, would you? I'm taking Grandma into town. We're going to do something special.
Steve's got big plans for his pavement plodder. Once he's worked his crash test garage magic, his granny buggy will be speedier than an OAP or